Ugadhi Pachadi is a traditional dish prepared during Ugadi, the Telugu New Year festival. It is a symbolic dish made using a mixture of 6 ingredients, each representing a different aspect of life. Here's how you can make it. Tamarind: soak a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind in warm water for 15-20 minutes. Extract the juice and set it aside. Raw mango: peel and finely chop the raw mango into small pieces. Jaggery: grate about 1 to 2 cc of jaggery, or more to taste. Neem flowers: if fresh neem flowers are available, take a small handful and wash them. If not, dried neem flowers can also be used. In a mixing bowl, combine the tamarind extract, jaggery, raw mango pieces, green chili, neem flowers, and salt. Red chili powder: take 1 or 2 spoons red chili powder based on your spice preference. Salt: add salt to taste. Stew everything together until the jaggery dissolves and the flavors blend well. 3. Adjust the jaggery, salt, or chili to suit your taste. 4. Let the pachadi sit for about 10-15 minutes before serving so the flavors can mix well. Serving: Ugadhi Pachadi is typically served as part of a larger festive meal on Ugadi, along with other traditional dishes, and is meant to be eaten at the start of the day to symbolize the different phases of life. It's believed that tasting all these flavors together will bring balance to the year ahead. Enjoy the refreshing and symbolic dish.